In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter and the cabin air filter from this Chevrolet Spark. The engine air filter is located here, and for the cabin filter we got to remove this glove box. To do that you just have to press these two and pull. Remove this cover. Here is the part number of the filter, and when you install the new filter just make sure that the airflow is up. Close the cover and put back the glove box. Now for the engine air filter you just have these clips here, 4 of them. It's a good idea to clean it as much as you can inside the air filter box, so in that way the new filter will last longer. Here is the part number of the engine air filter, and on the filter you have a gasket which needs to go under here. Wiggle the cover until it fits in like this and pop in the clips. Alright, thanks for watching and have a nice day.